Hello guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you are doing fine. And guys, as you all can see, today is a bright sunny day and I really love the sun. So we decided to go to the beach today, and the closest beach to our house is the Bondi beach, which is is like 20 minutes away from home. So we're going to reach there. So till that time, stay tuned and see you on the other side. Guys, I've actually made it to the beach and such a bright day and I'm loving it a lot. So let's explore this place a little. Behind me is the beach. So now we're going to the beach. So everybody wanted to have a softie swirls, so they just went to McDonald's and bought swirls for them. And I don't like these swirls that much, so I didn't take any, and I'll have something else over here. Oh guys, just look at the beach. Look. Oh guys, look at this. So guys, now the picture taking is done and we're going to start the coastal trail.
Opens a world through an ancient door. The silence alive, yet brimming with sound. In the arms of solitude, I am found. Oh, whispering pines, sing me your tune. Caught in
So guys, it's actually whale season, so this is a whale spotting area, and you can spot whales. If you're lucky, you'll find one, and if you can't, then you'll have to keep searching and you'll have to keep waiting for their time. Guys, a rainbow. You can barely see it because it's just because of the sprinkle of water. Let's see whether we can capture it now. Look, 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 look. There's a little bit of over there. Wow.
Under the boughs where the shadows play, the wind hums songs at the break of day, whispering pines, secrets untold, carrying tales only the forest holds. Moonlight spills through the velvet dark, etching patterns, leaving its mark. The roots stretch deep, the earth's gentle sigh, a lullaby.
Guys, now we have come to this pet shop, and actually it's a adoption center, and you get to adopt your own sweet little puppies, and you get a lot of pet things. Look at this.
Caught in the rhythm
Wow, so cute.
stars and
Look at this.
teach me the language
Wow, so cute.
stories that linger on the breath of the breeze.
Guys, look at them, so cute.
The dawn paints gold on the mountain's crown, while rivers whisper truth as they flow down.
What breed are they?
And their songs entwine with the trees that stand, knotted in time by nature's hand. Each echoing step on the forest
So now I'm going to show you some cats, and look at this.
opens a world through an ancient door. The silence alive,
And there's one over here.
yet